The year is 1977, and you are an astronomer sitting down to analyze data from the Big Ear Radio Telescope. This is a telescope designed to look for extraterrestrial intelligence. It's fixed to the ground, just looking straight up, scanning the sky in a very narrow radio band, hunting for signals. The data is output as letters and numbers representing the signal-to-noise ratio, and you have hundreds of pages to go through. As you're reading through, it's a lot of ones, maybe a couple twos. You're circling anything that might be a little bit higher, a little bit more of interest, when all of a sudden, you see a string of letters and numbers that go up to a signal-to-noise of 31. This signal is so big, you circle it and write "wow" with an exclamation point next to it. You just discovered the WOW signal, one of the most controversial pieces of evidence in the search for extraterrestrial life. This incredibly strong, narrow-band radio signal lasted 72 seconds in August of 1977, but was never seen again. The signal came from the constellation Sagittarius, but because of the design of Big Ear, we can't pin down exactly where the source was. And what caused it is very much still a mystery. There are some people who think it is communication from an alien civilization, but this one detection in 1977 is not really overwhelming evidence. And astronomers are trying to figure out if there could be a natural explanation. People have looked at ideas like internal electronic interference or reflections of Earth-based signals off of satellites or space debris, but it doesn't seem to be anything like that. There's been some recent research showing that clouds of hydrogen in space can get excited and produce these narrow radio band emissions, although not as strong as the WOW signal. And so, alien or otherwise, this thing is very much still a mystery.